Okay, so the next part that we're going to look at is part number 4, and it is this L-shaped part with a circle in it. It's specifically an inch over from the right hand side, and it goes all the way through. So you're going to actually use a different tool to make this. Instead of using the rectangle tool, you're actually going to use the line tool. And so if I start here, I can see that from here to this point is 4 inches. Going up, it's a total of 3 inches. So if I look at my height's over in my right side view, so it goes up 3 inches. Now if I'm going from the right to the left, 4 inches minus 2 inches is once again 2 inches. So this line is going to be 2 inches. I go up, 5 minus 3 is 2 inches, so this is going to be 2 inches, and then this is labeled as 2 inches, and then all the way back down again, so from this point to here is going to be 5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. This is my previous part. Side note, your parts are going to be down here at the bottom as you go and you make them. It makes tabs across the bottom of your screen so that you can go back and look at your previously made parts. So I'm going to go to File, New, Standard IPT once again, and hit Create. Same step as before, start a 2D sketch and click on your plane. I'm going to click on the XY plane. Next, I'm going to use the line tool. I have not used the line tool before. I'm not using the rectangle, I'm going to use line. And so, starting at the bottom corner and going towards the right, it was a total of 4 inches. So I'm going to type in 4 on the keyboard. Going back to my dimensions, so I just went from here to here. Now I need to go up 3 inches. So, taking a look at that, I'm going to go up 3 inches. After that, I need to go over from the right to the left 2 inches. So grab my line tool again, 2 inches, and then I need to go up. So looking at my sheets, I'm at this point right here and I need to go up 5 minus 3. My remainder is 2, so I'm going to go up 2 inches. So that's what I'm going to do, up 2 inches. I'm going to go from right to left 2 inches, and then this total height is 5 inches, and it is. You can see there, right there, it says 5 inches, and so I'm going to connect it all together. At this point, I'm going to finish my sketch and go ahead and extrude this shape. And so the extrusion for this, looking up here in the top view, is going to be 2.5 inches, so 2.5 inches. So I'm going to change that 1 to 2.5 and hit enter. So now I have the overall shape of this part. I'm still missing my hole, however. It goes right here, and it's a diameter of 1 inch, and it goes all the way through the part. So I'm going to click on Start 2D Sketch again, and I want to draw this hole on the front of this object. And I'm going to use my circle tool, and I'm going to draw a circle with a diameter of 1 inch. Okay. Now I need to use my dimension tool to dimension from the right to the circle because it needs to be 1 inch over, so 1 inch. It also needs to be from bottom to top 1.5 inches because half of 3 is 1.5. Finish my sketch and then extrude that circle all the way through. And you can see that now it's switched it to go all the way through. And that is part number 4. Right here, part number 4.